Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem. And this theorem always asked in last 5-6 years, 3 times this theorem asked for 4 marks, 5 marks based on the question pattern. Now this theorem, and it is asked in the form of question, not in the form of theorem. It is asked in the form of question. Okay, so here the question is, in triangle ABC, if AM is the midpoint, AM is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square. Always asked in the form of question. Only the name of this triangle and this median is changed. Now one by one we do this. Here first of all I will draw diagram. In triangle ABC, AM is the median. So as it is the median, these two parts are equal. AM is the midpoint of BC. Okay, AM is the median. So first of all, given in triangle ABC, AM is the median. AM is the median. Okay, and then 2. What do you want to prove? AB square plus AC square equal to twice AM square plus twice BM square. That you want to do. Now here we have to perform construction. Draw AD perpendicular on this. Draw this AD perpendicular on BC. AD perpendicular on BC. Now one by one we will prove this. Now your proof starts. First of all, triangle ABM. Observe triangle ABM. That is your triangle ABM. Check all the 3 angles. These are acute angle. That is acute angle triangle. Actually, for acute angle triangle, whatever we are proving, that is separate proof. But here we are continuing in this proof. Acute angle triangle. So here, first of all, in this triangle. In triangle ABM, angle D equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem. So in this, if you use Pythagoras theorem, you will get AM square is equal to AD square plus BM square. I mark this as equation 1. Now we proceed further. Now consider triangle ADB. In triangle ADB, angle D equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem. So if we use Pythagoras theorem, we will get AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Now in question you have your median, that is here is the midpoint. Anyhow you have to use this here. So this BD, now this BD you can write in this way, BM minus DM. That is your BD. BM minus DM. So what will be there? Only BD. So instead of BD, we have to write that one. So here AB square equal to AD square plus BM minus DM bracket square. BM minus DM bracket square. Now you have to solve this by using identity. So you will get AB square equal to AD square plus BM square AB square minus 2AB, that is 2BM into DM plus DM square. Okay. Now check your equation 1, that is AD square, that is DM square. Using equation 1 you get AB square equal to AM square plus BM square minus 2BM into DM. Equation 2, whatever changes, that is from 1. Okay, that is from 1. Now in the same way, now check this triangle AMC. Triangle AMC. That is obtuse angle triangle. So I mentioned that one. Now triangle AMC is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Triangle AMC is obtuse angle triangle. So here in triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Now here triangle ADC. For a while, forget this. In triangle ADC by Pythagoras theorem, you get AC square equal to AD square plus BC square. You will get AC square equal to AD square plus DC square. Okay. Now check this DC. Anyhow, we have to use this midpoint. So this DC you can write as BM plus MC. So here AC square is equal to AD square plus BM plus MC bracket. And whenever you have bracket square, you have to use identity. So here let's use identity. A plus B bracket square. So you get AD square plus BM square plus twice BM into MC plus MC square plus MC square. Okay. Now check this equation 1. AD square plus BM square equal to what? AM square. So here AC square is equal to AM square plus twice BM into MC plus MC square. Now check this portion. AM is median. What is the function of median? Now here that is AM. What is the function of median? That is the vertex joining, vertex of a segment joining vertex of opposite angle with the midpoint. So here AM is the midpoint of BC, and if you have the midpoint of BC, that is BM is equal to what? MC. BM and MC are equal, but BM equal to MC equal to half of BC. Now purposefully I am using this one. Because in 2.2, maybe question number 6 or 7, in that you have to use this portion. Here you have to use only this. Okay, BM equal to MC equal to half of BC. So instead of MC, we write down BM. So we get AC. Now here, what are changes I have made from 1, and now AC square is equal to AM square plus 2BM into Bm plus Bm square. That is equation 4. Equation 4. Sorry, equation 3.2. That is equation 3. Now we want AB square plus AC square. That is AB square. That is AC square. So adding equation 2 and 3. So let's add these equations. So adding left hand side first. AB square plus AC square equal to, now adding right hand side, AM square plus BM square minus twice BM into DM plus, now equation 3, AM square plus BM square plus twice BM into BM. Okay, these two portion gets cancelled, so there remains therefore AB square plus AC square equal to this AM square plus this AM square, that is twice AM square plus BM square plus BM square twice BM square. Now instead of BM we can use MC. Sometimes we can use half of BC also. So that is the required proof. That is your Apollonius theorem. Okay. Now based on this Apollonius theorem, we will study various problems. Based on this, we will study various problems. So whenever you have Apollonius theorem, you have to use formula. So for this Apollonius theorem, median is compulsory. If you have median, you can use Apollonius theorem. Otherwise, you cannot use Apollonius theorem. Now, to convince you